In this video, we're going to discuss the engineering screen of ReadyMix, which is going to show you the functionality of your ReadyMix sensors. To access this screen, select the Trimble logo in the upper left-hand corner of the main menu. Tapping this will access the system, this choice. And when we tap System, this will then present to us our engineering screen choice, which is what we want. And we tap Engineering, which will get us to the first screen where we're going to see the truck's TID number and some other information. But we're going to go down to the fifth screen by going down 4 counts. And as we see ReadyMix appear next to the down arrow, highlight the ReadyMix button, and this will give you the ReadyMix screen. At the upper left-hand portion of the screen, you will see the state. This is where the truck is. Normally this sort of thing is going to be done at the plant, so that's what we're showing here. You may be on a job site or somewhere else. To the right of that, Type, TYP, shows you the type of drum sensor that is installed in the vehicle. Next to that, you're going to see the type of drum sensor you have, in this case TMSRD for Trimble Mobile Solutions Rear Discharge. The RPM value is going to indicate the revs at which the drum is turning. The C here indicates charge. If we select discharge with the manual control, we see the revs again, but now we have a D next to that for discharge. This is confirmed just a little below and to the right with your discharge reading, which will turn in a few seconds from false to true. This shows you that the drum sensor is working properly. Below the RPM reading, we have fast charge, which is going to give you the number of revs that the drum is turning in excess of normally 8 RPMs, which would indicate that the drum is in a charged situation. We can't generate it here, but that's what you'll see. Then we have the washout sensor, which when activated will count seconds in time, showing you how long is being spent generating water through the washout meter. To the right of that, we have the water meter reading for the water add meter, which is going to show you gallons. So whereas the washout sensor counts time, the water meter shows gallons and actually shows the volume of liquid being put into the drum to affect the slump. Down at the lower right hand or the lower left hand corner, we have the number of revs that the drum has been turning while going less than 5 miles per hour, say when it's loading at the plant or pouring at a job site. This, along with the total rev count in the lower right, will be reset once the drum or once the truck reaches the plant again, but it's going to show you the total amount of revs from when it left the plant, went to the job site, and then returned back to the plant, whereupon it should reset. That's the basic information that's in the ReadyMix screen.